here we are leaving this Victoria Living. It's called. It's an art business hotel and it's all brand new, and we're leaving on day 5 today, so we're on our way to Strasbourg. Don't think we'll get there, but we will try. And here's Elle. Alright, is it one of those? Those Google mapping people or anything, no, something. But here we are having lunch. We're on the Rhine, and we've actually passed into France without really knowing. Yeah, the answer is most of the German people will not say hello to you on the bike paths. This man passed by and he said bonjour, and I said we're in France. So there we go. So today's beer is Mito, and we're just having a nice salad. Meteor. Yeah, lunch. Bye. Hello, little fellas. Just a short little pit stop for some water, and we're on our way to Newburgh, and we're looking for breakfast. So let's hope we find somewhere.
Well, this is the town of Worth am Rhine, town of Worth on the Rhine, and this is their cemetery here, and it's absolutely beautiful, the gardens, so meticulously maintained. You see a chap in the distance there mowing grass, but there's nothing out of place. It's so beautiful. There's a stream running through the middle of it, and the bridges and the paths zigzag back and forward. So the sycamore trees have all been bleached